Good afternoon, it's time for some more baking. Today we're going to be making Bourbon Biscuit Brownies. Yes, Bourbon Biscuit Brownies. This is very exciting. Let's get to it, shall we? For the ingredients, we have 150 grams of salted butter, 200 grams of self-raising flour, 125 grams of sugar, 3 eggs, 100 grams of dark chocolates, and 100 grams of milk chocolates. And we have 8 Bourbon biscuits. The first thing we're going to do is put our butter in with our chocolate. And now we are going to melt them together in the microwave. There we go, that's beautifully combined. Look at that, that looks absolutely delightful. And it smells amazing. I'm tempted to have a little bit, but I'm going to resist. Right, next we're going to pour our lovely chocolate mixture into this larger bowl. Next we're going to go in with our sugar. This is light brown muscovado sugar, but you can use any sugar you like. Give that a nice stir. Wow, now it smells even more amazing. Next, we are going to go in with our eggs, one at a time. In with our second egg. And in with our third and final egg. I bet you guys didn't know I could count, did you? Next, we're going to go in with our flour, which I have already sifted. Sift? For that. Yes. And now we're just going to gently fold it in. We don't want to overwork the mixture at this point. That ought to do it. Alright, next we're going to put our heavenly mixture into an 8-inch square cake tin, greased and lined. Here's one I prepared earlier. Now we're going to smooth it out, flatten it down, whatever you want to call it. That ought to do it. Now we are going to pop this into a preheated oven at 180 for 10 minutes. There we go, that's at 10 minutes in the oven. Next, we are going to add our Bourbon biscuits. We're going to press a biscuit into the brownie. We want to create 2 lines. Try to get them as even as possible. OCD. These are Marks and Spencer's extra cream Bourbon biscuits. They're absolutely delightful. See how much cream is in those? I'm not being sponsored by Marks and Spencer, by the way. There we go. Now we're going to pop them back in the oven for a further 8 to 10 minutes. depending on whether you like them gooey or more cake-like. Fresh out of the oven. We'll cool these down and then we can slice them up and have ourselves a bit of a taste test. Okay, confession time. I didn't wait for them to fully cool down and set before I tried to turn them out onto the wire rack. And I've had a little bit of an accident here. Got a bit of a cake disaster. But I did manage to salvage a few of them at least. So yes, here it is. Here's the end result. Nothing else to see. The others, the rest of them I ate earlier because they were so delicious. I couldn't wait. Yeah. Okay. Let's cut to the taste test. Time for the taste test. Certainly looks very nice. Oh wow. They're good. They're very good. Yes, they are very nice. Very nice indeed. The presentation could have been a little bit better perhaps, but let's not dwell on that. The taste is what counts. They taste very nice. You should make some. Treat yourself. Maybe try to be a bit more careful with them when you turn them out. Yes, but no, I'm happy with them. They're nice. Very nice. Well, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, cheerio.